So, Shibin, good morning. Let me
Hey,
just confirm if we are live. I think, uh, okay, I think we are live. So, good morning, audience of Thousand Miles. So, today we come up with this special session on our first look into Opus 5. So, as like many of you have already might have seen this news, like Opus 5 released yesterday, and we already have the access here everywhere. There were no controlled release we had for Mythos or Fable 5. Sorry, so I think we can all experience the Opus 5. I'm sure, correct, right, Shibin? You are able to access, right?
yeah, I got an access. I mean, I
Yeah,
came back from Open and I was checking it. I mean,
yeah,
it's pretty good.
yeah,
Yeah. The one thing which amused me is like I mean, if you see the June month, right? I mean, it's
yeah.
not only about today. Like we had three model release from
Yes,
Claude itself, right? Like
yes.
Fable 5 or Mythos, then like
We
Sonnet
have
5.
Sonnet 5, yeah.
Yeah, people are less excited about Comet
I
Plus
mean,
now. And let's see.
yeah.
I do use a lot.
Mm,
My usual flow is like, I have design work completed in
mm.
Opus. Then I mean, that act as an orchestration agent. Then I like
Move to,
hand over to, yeah, Sonnet. I mean, I
mm,
specifically say use Sonnet in subagents. I have a
yes.
couple of configurations. So,
Yeah,
yeah.
that makes clear sense, right? The writing code task, everything, I also believe Sonnet can do pretty well. Only the heavy lifting, like designing or more brainstorming, probably use Fable or Opus. Yeah, that makes
Yeah.
complete sense. Yeah,
Yeah. Also, the ChatGPT also, right? They released 5.6. Then, I
that's
mean,
also 3 tiers. It's not just one model, right? So you have
correct.
a small, medium, large kind of 3 tiers
Solve.
there. Sol, Terra, Luna, Basic.
Inside that also you have effort.
Yes, inside that you have multiple efforts.
Effort.
Yes.
I don't know which one to. I mean, whenever I'm in office, it's like,
Always high effort, extra effort, extra high effort.
yeah, I mean, I usually work on like initial. I mean, we used to work on single task, right? Like concentrate on and get it done. Now I work on
Mm,
like four, five things
mm,
because we in my work, like the usual team guideline is like you, Claude has like that code review, right?
yeah.
That run in max effort and fix it. So it
Mm.
takes like 1 hour to get everything fixed.
Oh,
So
okay.
like let it, yeah. I mean
So,
it's
so it's
pretty
like
deep.
you start. You let it run for half an hour. You switch to the next task, do something
Correct.
there. Okay.
Yeah, I have a couple of pipelines also written. But yeah, I mean it's. I mean one of the main thing I am motivated is about that Kimi K3, right?
Yeah, yeah.
That was some.
Oh, that also
Uh,
released this month again.
yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
uh, I think the model weight is supposed to come out at 30, but still it's accessible. Like I
Mm.
had a check. I mean, it's bit chatty, but
Mm.
the performance is good. I mean, if you compare the price also, right?
Mm.
It's pretty good according to me. And like
Yeah.
an open source model on top of it.
Yes.
And then people were like, because Kimi K3 kind of matched
Mm.
Opus.
Yes.
And
Yes.
so people were like, okay, what's going to happen now? They're like, okay, let's release fast.
Mm.
Yeah,
I think yeah, they
yeah.
are iterating very fast, and I also saw this interesting news. Probably you also might have. I think ChatGPT, like OpenAI, is testing their new models, and they really came out of sandbox and hugging it attacked Hugging Face servers, right? So I
Mhm.
think if those of you not seen, like we also had a released a short video on this. check out our channel. But the point I want to say is, Hugging Face tried to resolve like what is happening. They were not understanding beginning, but they were not
Mhm.
able to use Fable or Opus. I mean, for the ChatGPT sold 5.6 because it had guardrails, and they finally used, I think, the Kimi model to
Open source
result
model, that's what
open
they're
source
saying.
to. So it's like a kind of a war now, for like a closed source, open source, indirectly fighting wars, and you have closed source coming with a lot of guardrails and stuff like that, which is actually restricting you to like even use in the such use cases, which was interesting. Yeah, but I think the
Yeah,
like
yeah, good.
no, I also want to talk more about this. I think we have like a lot of interesting such escape scenarios,
Yeah.
sandbox escape scenarios, but I think we'll keep it for another video. But yeah, like let's continue with the Opus part.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
if you want to, yeah. So what do you think? How should we start? Or like let's
I had a quick look. I mean, I just came back from office like a couple of hours back and was
yeah,
taking a look. We can take a look and together. I
yeah,
had a probably we can share the screen. I'll share my full desktop and okay, let me do one thing. Like let me share
yes,
my browser. Can you see my browser?
yeah,
I
yeah.
was just scrolling through the numbers. I mean, I had a quick look into the numbers.
Mm,
The I mean, I always look into like terminal coding.
yeah.
Also,
Agentic, yeah.
uh, yeah, AGA3. I
Mm,
mean, so those who are new to this thing, like I kept it open for you guys. So, terminal coding, I mean, I know these numbers, if you look into it, like, okay, which one is greater? That's the only understanding you get. But why I like terminal coding and AGI, like, I look for two reasons. One is agentic terminal coding has you know, a very good software problem. It's not like,
mm,
some solve a lead code problem or fix
yeah,
one
yeah.
bug. Thing.
Mm-hmm.
It's more holistical representation of what software.
I mean,
Uh,
if I'm not wrong, it's like just not okay. There's a problem, just one fix, solve. It's I think like a 5 6 step minimum, right? 5 6 step minimum solving something like that. I think we should take a look at this benchmark later. But yeah, you continue. Like let's just look at the table and yeah,
yeah. I mean, yeah, we can have a quick look into it for the
yes,
audience to
yeah,
understand a high level. I mean, we can't go in depth, but
yeah,
if you see the numbers itself, right? Let's look at
mm,
the only in the numbers. This is 43.3 is like if you see Fable 5, it's better than Fable 5. That
mm.
was surprising. I think it took a storm in Reddit also. People were discussing why to pay more
yes,
for Fable
yes,
5.
yes,
Half to, I mean, I use the subscription, so like Fable 5 is 50 percentage
mm,
lesser use, right? I mean, effectively, it's like 50 percentage, I mean, 2x more pricey.
yeah,
I mean, if I use only Fable 5, right? I mean, it can meet, I mean, it's a 10-point jump. It's not a like
mm.
0.05 jump. It's like
It's a
compared to Fable 5, it's like
nearly 10% difference. Is
correct. So, yeah, I mean, that's pretty surprising to me. Like, and Saul was, I mean, I feel for
mm.
it was about to catch up. And I played
Yes.
43.3. Yeah. Opus 4.8. I mean, I have mixed feeling about 4.8, but yeah, I
Mm.
mean, compared to it's a 50 percentage increase, right? It's
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
approximately 2x,
I think
more
it's
than
doubled,
2x.
more than doubled. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a pretty good jump. I I mean, in my perspective, there are the improvement wise, it's a good increase.
Mm.
Uh, People are saying, I mean, unless until we experiment bit more,
Yes.
we
Yes.
won't have the real numbers
Yeah.
because there is a concept of benchmarking, right?
Yes. I also completely agree. Like in just want to put it out here. Like commonly, this benchmarks are called "trust me, bro" benchmarks by some people. These are released by
Mhm.
the companies itself, like, not verified by individual researchers or practitioners. So probably there is some biases, or like they did this, like some optimization targeting this benchmarks. We don't know that. Yeah. But,
Yeah, Frontier do run like I think they do run independent, but the problem is whenever you train the new models, right? They know
mm,
about these benchmarks.
yes, yes.
So
And there
these
is
people
some.
try to tune it. So
Yeah.
this, I mean, I don't know. It's an official term. We like people say benchmarking.
Mm.
Like you adapt it's more of a machine learning that force fitting, right?
Yes, yes.
Like you force fit on the test data.
Yeah.
I don't know whether they are doing it, but if they are not doing it, it's a surprisingly good number.
Mm.
And
Yeah.
one perspective I want to like, I mean, there are some technical details of how it's being run. Like there is some 5 run and they take mean of it and all the things.
Mm. Yeah.
But leaving out all this technicality, it's as good as I mean, 43, if you can assume 50%, it's as good as, I mean, 100 is very good engineer, okay?
Mm.
Excellent engineer.
Mm.
Most of us are, I mean, I myself doesn't consider nothing to be ashamed of it. We are
Yes.
trying to be there. So it's approximately that 50 percentage of good software engineering. That's how
Mm.
I read the numbers,
Yeah.
right?
I mean, that
And
too, I don't see, like, probably if you think of this way, like maybe you are a backend developer, or even let's say full stack, you're only exposed to, like, maybe 10 different technologies and you're skilled in that. But if you see,
Mhm.
these models can, like, perform really well in lot more stacks and like technologies. So yeah, like in a way, I see, like, they have a lot more capabilities, and the human, even if we don't know something, like they can get the task done, and we can kind of learn from back from them. So
Exactly, exactly.
yeah.
Yeah,
So,
and the other benchmark I usually, I mean, you can look into all the benchmark like health also. I
mm,
mean, it's a different field. Since I'm in like software field, uh, one AGI3. I mean, AGI3 is not specifically software. It's more of a people were contemplating that this won't be solved for a long time because you see
mm.
these numbers, right?
Yeah, very
1.8,
yes.
1.8. People were thinking like this won't get into that saturation level.
Mm-hmm.
Like AG1 and 2 approximately got into saturation level. AG3 people are saying it's pretty difficult
Mm.
because it has like the physical simulation concept also.
Oh,
We can
okay.
look into that benchmark.
Yes.
Uh, But this 30 number actually, if you go and read any Reddit handles, people are very surprised on
Mm.
this number. Fable
Yeah,
5 they
yeah.
didn't really.
Yes, they didn't release the number for omitted for Fable 5. But
Yeah.
interesting. Yeah, this is a very interesting number.
30.
Like compared to the Opus, and it's, I don't know, 20 times
This
better.
numbers, no? Yeah.
It's very
I was
surprising.
totally surprised. Yeah,
Mm.
this number is crazy. I mean,
Yes.
we can have a quick look into how these benchmarks are made. So,
Yeah,
like, it will give you,
an idea how
yeah,
it
a mental
looks.
model of,
Mm.
yeah. Other benchmark I probably look into is computer use. I mean, it's mainly have
Or the
like
tool you.
computer
Yeah.
use tasks, yeah, browser use and computer
Mm.
use tasks. This
Yes.
is why I look into is this is very important for automations,
Mm.
and I like the field. That's also if you see like from Opus, I mean, Fable 5 is of course it's a costlier model.
Mhm.
More than that, there is a 4% diff,
Yeah.
but compared to like 4.8, right? It's around like 15 points.
Yes. Yeah, that's a big chunk. Mm.
Correct. I mean, that's also, I mean, a good number on compute use, how you can imagine is like you can automate most of the work, like the
Yes, yes,
so-called white collar jobs,
yeah.
be
So
it
moving stuff, creating folders, organizing them, cleaning them with even thousands of files, whatever, right? All this
correct.
gets really easy and faster. Nice.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I think all these numbers are
So this,
very,
yes. I mean, just looking at the numbers now, I'm thinking like, and also thinking of the cost, like definitely,
Mhm.
like we have to put into action. But Fable 5 kind of already looks like not needed that much. Like it's not very compelling to use Fable 5 anymore. Or is there some use case you think they have might
yeah,
have not considered here?
yeah, been, uh, I mean, my initial feeling, like I've been only using for like last 3 hours, 2 hours.
Hmm.
But I mean, we are doing a open source project like thousand mail. I mean, for the audience, thousand
Yes,
mails, it's
yes.
open source mail client. So I was trying to do some tasks for it. What I feel is like that con like long horizon task, right? I
Hmm.
planned a comparatively larger task. One I was using Fable 5. I'm running two things in a two work tree.
Hmm.
One I was running in Fable 5 as a main orchestration. One
Hmm.
I was running like Opus 5, right?
Yeah.
What I feel is like that a long horizon task which goes like more than couple of hours,
Hmm.
continuous run. It's not a minor edit, it's complete redesign of
Oh, okay.
a couple of systems. Then when I check the efficacy of the things, I see a slight difference.
Hmm.
Even though Fab 5 had comparatively more agentic, I mean, complex system to
Hmm.
rewrite, it did better job than compared to the Opus 5. So
Hmm.
I'm bit, I mean, it may be like uh, in science you say, right? One task is not good enough to measure the things,
Yes,
but
yes.
I'm feeling a slightly personal feeling. Also, I'm doing some UX rework also.
Hmm.
I tried both in the cloud
Yeah.
design AS. I feel I aesthetically like Fable 5 bit. I mean, it was
Um,
couple of only couple of page layout adjustment, but I personally like the Fable 5 outcome
hmm.
compared to the Opus 5 in the. So
Yeah.
I'm not.
Yes, yes. I completely agree. Like one task is not enough to measure this, but yeah, maybe in an average of many tasks, it might be better or almost same as per the numbers at least. But what do you say? Like, let's put some couple of prompts into test in the meantime, and maybe we can look
Oh yeah,
into.
yeah, I want to try it. I mean, I didn't want to, throw away my token, so I was waiting for this session to try
Okay.
some balance. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah. Makes sense.
yeah,
That's also token is precious nowadays. Yeah,
yeah. Let me kickstart that. Maybe then we can discuss about the benchmarks
yeah.
in this.
In the meantime, we will go into the benchmarks. Yeah.
Let me reshare the screen. Give me a second.
Yes. Sure.
Mm, to do. So this is my. Okay, no. Let me exit this.
Hmm.
I mean, I don't want to. Let's run the YOLO mode for
Yes.
this thing. I usually don't do it. I
Yeah.
mean,
Why not? Like
mm,
anyway, it won't be. I hope hacking into some website. So.
it doesn't do that, but yeah, I feel that I'm against vibe coding. Complete vibe coding, I don't like.
Mhm.
But for this, just for this exercise,
Yeah.
uh, I noted down the problem I want. I just fine
Yeah.
tune the prompt a bit.
Maybe. I think. Yeah, yeah. I think can just say what we want to build and show.
Yeah, can you see my text?
Yeah. 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 Build.
Yeah. So build a single page bicycle physics game, side scrolling with. I mean, I just want to have a single page bicycle
Mm.
physics like where I can control by like couple of
Arrows.
arrows and
Mm.
as you can see, I'm not being very specific what I want to build,
Yes, yes.
like uh, what arrows, what action to be done, how to game. Like,
Mm,
I mean, I specified it should be an infinite game, but like lot of details are missing.
yeah,
So I feel this is a mix of um, uh, like complexity and
and there is minimum.
creativity.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
let's try
let's.
this out.
So yeah, just for I think you are trying for first time, right? You didn't try this before, just for our audience.
No, no, no. I just had this prompt written in a well-formatted way.
Okay,
I
okay,
mean,
okay.
it's not even a proper prompt, right? I mean, it's just a use case
It's just a
specification.
use
That's
case.
all.
Yes, yes. We are not even
I'll
saying, okay, build with this tech, build with that. We are just saying, okay, we want this. Okay, let's see what happens. You are okay. What do you want to give for the effort? I or
I'll keep it high. I mean, I can go for Excel, but let's keep it high. I mean, we are just trying it out, right?
yes, yes. Do
Uh,
you think
uh,
the last sentence is missing?
oh, is it?
I mean, I lean
Okay,
forward and
let me.
back, then show distance. It missed some.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
good.
Sounds good,
So
I
let's
guess.
get started. Let's see what it does. Does it? I mean, usually I do that grill me and all those things.
Yeah,
I'll even
yeah.
don't even ask me anything.
Maybe we can use
Just
check the token usage as well in the end.
yeah, design decisions. Should I tell like don't ask me? Don't ask.
Uh, or does like when you do bypass permission, does it ask?
Yeah, it it usually comes back and asks me like, okay, how this X should be built, Y should be built.
Mm.
It's only permission skip. Yeah. Let's stay on this page for like one, two. I
Yeah,
think I
2 minutes.
can.
Or we can. Should we just take look at some the AGI benchmarks in the meantime? It might take a couple of minutes, right, to build this, or maybe even more. What do you say? Or you want to
No, it will
explain?
take
Talk.
time. Let me do one thing. I'll do a desktop share. Let me, now you know the things. I'll just reshape my app and like side by side. I'll keep this running here. Then show my browser. Maybe let me reshape better. Okay, I think it should be fine. Can you see now?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's running. I'll just keep it minimized for now if it does.
Oh yeah, that's also.
Yeah, I'm using herder, so it actually creates that beep sound also. So I
Oh,
can go back and check. I
okay.
like this. I mean, I only use this for that. I mean, my usual setup is Tmux. I
Uh-huh.
only use it like if I'm not fully doing. Oh, okay.
Mm.
So one thing I want, I mean, since we are doing this session for first time, right?
Yeah.
We mainly talked about uh, Terminal Bench 3 or
Mm.
Frontier Bench. I want to show you, I mean, this is the benchmark. Oh, sorry. I'll just minimize it a bit more. Yeah, you can see the result, right? It's already 43.5,
Mm.
blah, blah thing. But
Oh
what I
yeah.
want to, yeah, you can go and check the task, right? You can run it by yourself. But the interesting thing is that you can see what task it is. Maybe
Mm.
pick a, I don't know, like I'll check music harmony.
Yeah.
I
Let's.
don't know.
I also
Let's
never
take the first
really
one.
went into
Okay.
the task. Yeah. Let's go there.
So if you see the data anonymization, right, it's you have the information of
Mm.
who contributed it. Like this guy is from GE Healthcare, like one of, I mean, it's a very good company. And it has a clear difficulty explanation, solution explanation, verification explanation, relevant experience, all those things. So it's a proper software design task.
Got it. Got it.
So it's not like, I mean, you see the full thing attached.
Hmm.
Oh, okay, it's done.
Oh, it's done. Oh, wow.
Okay, this is too fast.
Okay.
I don't know.
So probably
Pedal brake.
the arrangements of the controls shown here is a little bit weird, but yeah,
Oh
let's see.
man.
Is it going the right way?
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, you can go bi-directional, which I think you
yeah.
didn't even mention, right?
Ah. Uh, oh man, press
Okay.
space.
Oh,
Oh
okay. Maybe the
man,
physics is little bit
lean forward is.
in
Oh
there.
shit, man. I'm dead.
Okay, you have pedal
Oh,
forward,
brother.
and then for space, head down
Okay.
arrival.
Okay, I have restart. Okay.
Hmm.
Let's see where this guy going.
Oh, suddenly change direction.
Oh, it respect the physics, man.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah. Now if I oh, uh,
Oh,
that
but I
oh
think I am like quite impressed. Like in the first one shot, it's already good.
yeah. No, I see a problem. I'm pretty bad at this game thing. Oh, I need to. So it's going down the hill. Now I have to press the brake so it doesn't.
So it's basically now okay, going front. Okay.
Oh, I need to press the brake. Oh,
Oh, R is restart.
it's. I'm pretty impressed.
Really interesting.
And I have the best also, 140. Okay, now I have to press. Oh, what happened?
Okay. I think there are some glitches, but I still feel this is really good for just one shot. That do with some like very
No, I'm
high
amazed
level.
by the physics of it,
Yes.
no?
Yeah, yeah. Even without any planning, without any kind of fully wipe coded, with that too with I think minimal context is surprisingly good.
No, this guy's hand also moved.
Yes, I think it feels like he's pushing, right?
Ah,
Yeah.
no,
Oh, it's
it's
leg.
doing.
It's leg. I think it's his leg.
Ah,
Okay, he's kind. It's maybe he's trying to simulate pedaling. Okay, I think here kind
this
of.
this is replay. No, 240.3 crashed.
Oh, new
Oh,
best.
I need to control this lean backward, lean.
Yes, yes.
Oh, oh, that's what I was doing, man. It is not the game issue. If I do this thing,
Oh, it's trying to do some skills like DD. Oh, okay, okay. If you do it
oh,
too much, you will crash.
yeah, it will go like this. That's
Mm.
what. Wow.
Oh, this is
Wow.
even crazy. It has even things probably we didn't ask for.
It's a one wheel ride because I lean backward.
Mm. Yes,
Let
this
me see if
is.
this guy crash. No, it I know, I mean, this is ultimately mathematical formula, but
Yeah.
the thing is that It's able to do it in a one-shot prompt.
Mm. Yes, that is pretty impressive.
Wow. It flipped also. If you press back and forth, it actually. You want to see? Dun, dun. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Skills.
No, I really like this for
Yeah,
a.
yeah. I mean, this is really impressive for like just a one shot simple prompt.
Yeah,
Interesting to
I mean,
see. Yes.
I will try out something and probably like next session we can plan something properly and try it
Yeah,
out.
yeah. I think we can maybe try to do Opus versus Fable if possible, or let's say Kimi, Opus 5
Mm-hmm.
versus Kimi K3 if we have access. And
Yeah, yeah, I have open router access.
yes,
It has
let's.
it.
Yeah, then maybe. Yeah, let's see what we can do. But yeah, let's also check maybe this a little bit and
Yeah, what I was, yeah, let's. I think I was surprised by that game. It, it's really running again. Oh, no, not done.
yeah.
Okay. So I mean, if you see this thing, right? Oh, Claude is
It's
it got me.
doing it again.
Mhm. What is it doing? Scalping. Oh no, it's fixing the issue, man.
Oh, I think yeah, it opened in this their test environment, like
That's why
probably
it was
the
messing up the performance.
playwright. Then I think it was testing itself.
No, it's adjusting. Okay, we need to retest. Let it do the its thing.
Okay,
Okay.
so that's why it's good in computer use, right? So it's getting advanced in choosing things itself, probably. Mm.
Yeah. If you see this thing, right, implement. This is kind of like software engineer, usual software engineering job,
Mm.
and pretty good at like if you see that score was 43.7,
Hmm.
right? Like
Yeah, yeah.
40 something. So I think the whenever people like most of the people in the at least in the software field and like this
Hmm.
young graduate or the college students see these numbers, they don't really look into the complexity of the things. Why this?
Problems. Mm. Why it
Yeah,
is?
the complexity of it. Like for me to like read and understand and do this, this is like in older software world, it used to be like a couple of
Mm.
months work,
Yes.
right? Uh, yeah, I mean, this is a very good benchmark according to me, till it get benchmarked. So
Mm.
that's where, and yeah, the other benchmark we were mentioning is like this one, right?
AGI
AGI3.
3. Yes.
Why this? So you can actually get into it and play it. So if you click on this thing, I mean, humans already like you can see the for this particular game, then go to
Humans
next
are
also.
in the top.
I mean, it's marked like that.
Mm.
Human score is 100 percentage. Then
Then
what?
relative to that. Mm.
Correct.
Okay,
So
so
if you
just can we just check the table once I had something?
yeah,
Okay,
these
we
numbers are
only
per prop.
see OpenAI and Claude. Don't see any other models. There is
Um,
XAI somewhere in the bottom.
featured models. Yeah,
Almost everyone. Hmm. Interesting. Like why there are
everything open
no
source.
open models. Okay, fine. It's,
Yeah. I mean, you can play and get the scores, then this is a human baseline action.
hmm.
Like each of it has its own levels. So each of the game has multiple levels.
Hmm.
Then you try it, it improves. I never played this. I actually. So what is this game? All the games are also. Can you build an AI agent to solve this task? Get started. Play as a human. You have to do. Where is the task explanation?
Okay, all this.
20.
Yeah.
So you have to. I don't know what this game is supposed to do. Is it?
Maybe help. We have to read help.
Okay. You need to play the game to discover the control. Oh, yeah, that's
Oh,
what they
there
were
is.
telling.
Yeah, okay. So it's kind of open-ended in many case, making the
Yeah,
problem
you can't be
difficult.
part of training data. That is what they say.
Mm.
The visualization, then you have to try out, identify the control,
Okay, on
and
the
how it
on the go, you understand what is the game,
correct.
and then how you behave is. Yeah, I think that's a really good test, right? Like you don't show any of this. Like for example, coding, etc. Billions of examples are already shown during the training, and still, like it's
Yeah, that
generalizing really, really well. Like that's another thing, but I don't know how probably they also show similar games or not. But interesting challenge. Yeah.
yeah, I mean, mm, RKJ2, I think it's almost completed. No. I mean, it actually maxed out the RKJ2
Hmm.
and one. So three people were saying since this complexities, I mean, they call it a AJ also, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
AJ1 was like almost maxed out.
Mm. Yeah. Makes sense.
So this people were not expecting this to cross like 10% by end of this year. I mean,
Mm.
we are sixth or seventh month, right? I mean,
Yes.
seventh month.
Seventh month.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
people are already op GPT-6 is coming.
Yes.
Opus 6 is also coming apparently this year.
Probably
I don't know.
Kimi, since Kimi released, I'm sure like there is also open models trying to release something big in that range soon. So I mean, it's overall a very interesting competition, and I am very curious to see how this is going to affect everything. I think the only thing is we wait, we try out, and we see what's going to happen.
Yeah, one interesting other thing I read is about uh, Code Rabbit. I had my link marked somewhere. When it's let me pull. And the main issue with this closed model is you don't know the model weight. Is it like memorizing everything? Like
Hmm.
the
Yeah, that is also one thing, right? We never, even remember seeing some model cards. I don't think they release the parameter size or how big their models are.
this was the link. The Code Rabbit, if you're not familiar with Code Rabbit,
Yeah.
it is the this is a code review tool. Like
Mhm.
a lot of people use it. I mean, it used to be a very good thing before because with all this uh, 3.x4 models and everything, like the chance of it going wrong was higher.
Mhm.
So people used to rely on like stricter code reviews. I
Yeah.
mean, they had a lot of value there. Now models are getting good at following the instruction. Now I don't know where is that value. I mean, take it with a pinch of salt because they are evaluating how their business doing against the standard
Mhm.
model. Of course,
Yeah.
they are going to be better, right?
Yes. Yes.
So, but there is an interesting aspect there. They already evaluated 5.x. So what they are saying is like it's able to capture. I mean, this is a bit tricky diagram to read, but
Mm-hmm.
what they're saying like 5 was able to capture more issues compared to Sonnet 5,
Mm-hmm.
and it had lesser noise compared to the 5.6. So
Okay.
that's how we read this graph. Um, yeah, and this is pretty interesting in two factor. I mean, in software world, right? Like there will be a lot of nitpick comments. So
Mm.
what they're saying, like there should be minimal nitpick comments and more like it should capture most of the major issues and lesser of nitpicks.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. I mean, Opus is capturing more nitpicks also.
Mm.
That
I
is
mean,
what,
showing the value. Correct. Mm.
yeah.
Yeah, this makes completely like as we move into the new iterations of models, whether this
Hmm.
additional code review companies, how they are going to adapt and all this is
Hmm.
also, I think, something interesting to look. But yeah, Shibin, do we have another iteration ready, or what do you think? Like, we are almost 40 minutes into the session, and we can also do a deeper comparison between two models in the next session. Maybe we pick a open model and we pick a like Claude or
Hmm. Okay, bike.html. Let me type thing again.
okay. I think this is controlled by Claude.
Yeah, it's running an infinite loop.
Is it testing or is it?
I mean, I don't want to find out where the file is. Okay, let's try it. Okay, press space or okay. I changed it from initial. It's
You feel difference in the controls?
yeah, yeah. I mean, it's more accurate. I would say like it respecting the
Physics.
break properly.
Hmm.
Okay.
Maybe
Oh,
time
oh,
to try some skills.
oh.
Oh, too much.
Yeah, I mean it based on the speed, right? Our, I mean, we do ride the bicycle, right?
Yeah, we
So
have
actually,
speed. Mm.
now if I go faster, then okay, this is fine. Now I can't accelerate much. I should be slower. Again, so I'm not using my hands, okay? Oh no.
Oh,
Oh man. It's bit
go faster,
sensitive, but
yeah.
then I feel it's pretty good.
Mm. But this was a
Mm,
really impressive task. Uh,
mm,
yeah, like as you said, I think let's keep using for the couple of days, and maybe if we see some really interesting use case where we can show some probably some negatives or something, one model is better than another. If we find something like that, I think we should do that in the next session. And
mm.
also maybe we will probably talk about yeah, like cost or something also now, or maybe in the next session. How much, because this is also very important, right? Yeah, these models can get your task done, but how much tokens are they really using? So
Mhm.
maybe let's talk about that in the next session. And yeah, like Shibin,
No,
if you want to conclude with something
cost.
for today. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, cost aspect is not much to talk. It's equivalent of 4.8, right? With
Mm.
all
No,
this
no,
gen
that
put
yes, that's the pricing, the pricing model, like input and per million and output. But I'm talking about we had this visualizations, right? Like Opus or Fable was taking more tokens to complete the task than the same task with same quality as GPT 5.6 for some cases. So essentially,
Mm.
like you are going to pay a lot more to get the same task done. So in that sense, maybe let's see if we
Yeah.
can, yeah, we
I
can
want
discuss
to
something.
talk about benchmarking at a separate session because
Hmm.
what I feel like a lot of people look into this number and
Yeah,
see, oh, okay, this is greater than this. They don't really. I mean, I feel as an individual developer or any, I mean, most of us are consumers, right?
yeah.
We should be able to interpret these numbers, what this benchmark means.
Hmm.
I mean, whatever we did for this particular benchmark, right? We can have some science aspect and like look into all the critical benchmarks and probably in
Yes.
the next session.
Yeah, yeah,
So
there
the
are quite a lot of topics. So yeah, then I also request like if you are watching this show, like please let us know what will be more interesting for you, so we can prioritize on that for the next session. And yeah, Shibin, it was nice session. I guess let's then meet on the next session. Talk to you soon.
okay.
Bye bye.